This song is for our Mother Earth. Since our love has been forgotten, plants are dead and stones can't talk. Without love, this world is rotten. Without this love, no man can walk. Inside our hearts we know the future. Inside our hearts we meet the light. There at last we will find it. This will end our endless night. So love thy neighbor, love thy brother, love thy father and sister too. Love another, love thy mother, then at last the dream comes true. Love another, love thy mother, then at last the dream comes true.